Today I'm in Surrey, BC at Lane 1 Homes, and beside me is their Acorn model. If you haven't heard of Lane 1, what they're building is a steel frame prefab home. They've got homes ranging in size from around 400 square feet up to over 1,000 square feet, and they actually get into multifamily as well. With their steel frame, everything they build is able to be stacked 5 high. So if you look beside me here, you can see there is a steel frame on top of the roof of that home. That's because it's built to have another one placed right on top of it for workforce housing. What we're going to be focusing on today though is the Acorn. This is 452 square feet. It's about 13 feet wide by 34.5 feet long, and it's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom with 9.5-foot ceilings. What I'd like to do is take a quick walk around the outside. We'll check out the exterior of this home, and then we're gonna duck inside and see what they got going on. They just finished this home, so it hasn't been staged, but I said, you know what? People can use their imaginations. It's a cool floor plan. Let's check it out. Right now I'm at the back of the Lane 1 manufacturing facility, and this is what I was telling you about. So this one right here, that's workforce housing, and you can see the steel frame on top right there. So they're gonna stack that piece over there on top of it for a 2-story, which is pretty cool. It kind of gives you an idea of the strength of these homes. This is the home in question, the Acorn. And as you can see, they've got lap siding, they've got the black metal roof, black trim on the windows, and kind of a wood trim on the corners. So standing at the front of the home, this window here, that's going into the living room. Obviously, we have got the door right there. And because of where we're located, I can't go all the way around, but I am gonna try to get a look at what we've got going down this side. Let's just do it, why not? So, this is the bedroom window on the end wall. Probably gonna make more sense when you see it from the inside. And then over here, we've got the window above the sink, and because of the way it's set up, we're going in the other door. It's just the way it's going today. All right, let's head inside and see what they've got going on in the Acorn. All right, as I enter in, the first space you get into is the kitchen. And for a 452 square foot house, I'm gonna say it, this kitchen is decked. So you'll notice that right now, no appliances. Again, they just finished this home and it's not quite complete. Everything from Lane 1 does come with appliances. They just haven't been put in here yet. So I want to start right here because this is kind of an interesting thing here that you don't see every day. Look at that. Kind of a spice rack type deal. You can put your salt and Himalayan salt in there, pepper even if you wanted. Over here, we have got the corner cabinet complete with 2 Lazy Susans. Above, you've got 3 cabinets, the window above the sink, of course. This is kind of a cool unit. We've got the sink here, and then beside, that's a dishwasher, believe it or not. So that opens up and you put the dishes in, bingo, bango, bongo, clean dishes. Below, obviously, you've got a little space under for your dish detergent, stuff like that, and a bank of drawers right beside the space that will accommodate the fridge. As normal, you've got the 2-door cabinet above the fridge, spot for glasses right there. Talked about that. You've got spot above the stove, and this is probably where I would put plates and my coffee cups. If I pan around, the kitchen is open to the living room. They got the electric fireplace on that wall, and the other entrance is right here. So we've got coat closet. Still needs the rack in there beside the laundry room. So this is kind of a cool setup that they've got here at Lane 1. I saw it in their Maple model, the one that's finished out front. So they've got The washer dryer set for right here, and what they do is a combo unit, and then beside they put the hot water tank. And then you've got a little bit of extra storage for really whatever else you want. So the laundry utility room is open to the bathroom. And this is a similar bathroom to the Maple. Again, still needs a mirror, still needs a light fixture, but it does give us an idea of exactly what they've got going on here. All the bathroom stuff, as usual. The toilet, you've got the fiberglass one-piece tub shower here. Still needs fixtures. Beside the tub shower I saw in the Maple, this will be kind of a storage area, but it does give us a look at what's behind the walls. So spray foam insulation in between the light gauge steel studs. So kind of a good look there as to the guts of the home. I'm gonna head down the other direction. You know, I take it back. This would be the front door. This is probably the door that I would enter in just because of the coat closet there. Here's a look at the kitchen from this side. I like it. Want to mention the door here. So they've got this built-in blind right in the door. So if you want a little bit of extra privacy, that comes with it. Put that back up. Down here, the main bedroom, or the only bedroom, I guess I should say, with the window above the bed. So you got light switches beside the bed. Okay, so each side does the side, or the light above that side of the bed. They've got it run for TV there. And yeah, that's the Acorn, 452 square feet. I'm gonna bring up the floor plan so people can get an idea of what it looks like in floor plan view, and then I'll talk about the pricing. Here's a look at the floor plan, and as you can see, they've got the floor plan stage so we can get a better idea of where everything's going to go and what it's going to look like. If you need more time with the plan, feel free to pause it here because I'm moving on to pricing. There you have it, the Acorn model from Lane 1 Homes. Again, what we're dealing with here is 452 square feet. It's 13 feet wide by 34.5 feet long. And as far as pricing goes, reminder, I'm in Canada right now, so it's $155,000 Canadian. If you're watching from south of the border, which I know a lot of people are, that works out to about 113,000 USD. That's it for me here in Surrey. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.